1 coin for machine. Here, 1 coin for machine. Oh. Come on. Nah, insert it. Insert it, bro. Insert it. Girl, you ain't even own the game. You just own that avatar, lol. Yeah, what the thing I'm saying, yeah, it's true. It's actually not her avatar. He's a man, but he turned into a girl. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. If this guy doesn't insert it on the machine, I'll start. Dude, you're not even an admin or something. You're not even an admin or something. My job is done. My job is done. Nah, let's try this. Try. Let's trouble on this guy. NGL for everyone. NGL. NGL. I am a small content creator, but I have a video that is 1.6 thousand views. .6 thousand views. Video that has. I'm just recording. Okay, I don't know why am I standing. We should be sitting or what. It just might be a glitch. Let's fly there. Let's fly to the edge of the map. Check the void. Only if we can. Yeah. The void is underground, so let's try not to die. If I die, nah, I'm cooked. I need faster than this girl. Bye-bye. Nah, time to sleep. Nah, it's already 2026, but why is this guy still 6'7"? Still 6'7". Is this guy... Dude, it's on catalog gear. It's on catalog. Catalog gear. Let's go to the top. Let's go on the top. And let's go down and... Nah, bro, always a yap. Maybe in a year he yaps me. 365 million words every year. A million. There's so much. Hey, yo, chill. Nah, I ain't looking at this. Bye. Bye. Now let's see community outfits. Let's see noob. Whoa. Oh shoot. Yeah, this is great. Ain't this on Halloween? Rate this. I don't know. Fly to the top. I just floated in mid-air. I floated totally in mid-air. Oh. Nah, that ain't work for that one. I'm so far. Anyways, goodbye.